Congrats Sneha for your success.
Thank you so much, sir.
So, what's your education and where are you from?
My education is Bachelor of Engineering in Electronics and Communication. And
Okay.
I'm from Maharashtra actually.
Okay. So, how come Maharashtra to Hyderabad?
I want to become a developer.
Okay.
So I'm searching for the exact institute for which give me a perfect knowledge about it.
Okay.
So my mama suggests me
Okay.
this institute because he is in Hyderabad.
Okay.
So he tell me that it is a best institute
Okay.
in Hyderabad. So
Okay.
you can go here. Your knowledge will be expanded.
Okay. Did BRN has reached your expectations?
Yeah, actually.
Okay. So, how is the journey with the BRN? 4 months of journey with the BRN.
It's wonderful journey. I learn lots of things from here.
Okay.
I learn many different things like good management, have nice support,
Okay.
how to work in a actual real-time experience about the working in office.
Okay.
So I got really good job.
Okay. First day of Sneha and till today of Sneha, what kind of a difference that you have been observed yourself?
I got too much confidence.
Okay.
Actually.
Okay.
Till first time Sneha, I didn't know how to work in office.
Okay.
How to work on an actual US project.
Okay.
But from here now I can do it very perfectly everything.
Okay. So, did you expected this success or job? Before coming to BRN from Maharashtra to Hyderabad, there might be a lot of doubts rolling on your mind whether you will get a job or not, whether you will get a
Actually.
success or not. How did you trust BRN?
Actually, really, there are lots of doubts in my mind.
Okay.
If I'm going there, I'll get a job or not.
Okay.
Or like other institute, I'll got. They are just giving a words or what.
Okay.
But now, after getting a job,
Okay.
it will be really relief.
Okay.
That it very. Nice experience about
Okay.
all the things.
Okay. What is the difference between normal training and BRN training?
In normal training, if we go for a normal training, within a period they completed it, but they didn't understand. They didn't take care of the grasping power of a candidate
Okay.
or resources.
Okay.
But in BRN, it is very different.
Okay.
They first take a chance on a student,
Okay.
then they acquire whether the student have a knowledge grasping power or not.
Okay.
And after that, they started teaching and give the time to understand what they teach.
Okay. Okay. Before joining BRN, you must be watching a lot of success videos on YouTube.
Yeah, actually.
Okay. Now your success video is going to be on YouTube. How do you feel now?
It's a very different thing for me.
Okay.
I just watch another's videos,
Okay.
success video, and I really think about it that I should make a video before leaving the Hyderabad
Okay.
in the BRN.
Okay.
Now it's going on, so
Okay.
I'm very happy.
So, what do you suggest to the people who are looking for good careers?
If you want to become some good career on the path, so I'll suggest please come to BRN.
Okay. Anyways, thanks for feedback and all the best for your future.
Thank you so much, sir.